Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking at the Act Cloud calendar right now for my account. And one of the things that I want you to observe is down below it says Greenwich Standard Time. I haven't set this. I'm in the Eastern Standard Time zone in right outside of Greater Boston. And when I'm in the calendar, if I don't set this properly, some of my things aren't going to be set at the proper time. So I'm going to go down here where it says Greenwich Standard Time. I'm going to click on that, and this box pops up. And now what I'm able to do is click here and navigate the Eastern time zone. So let me just grab that. Every time I go into these things, I'm like, I should be better at finding these times. There's Pacific time. So that's 8. We want to go find 5. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Did I just miss it? There we go, right there. I'm going to click OK. We're done. That's how you change the time zone in ACT. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much. You have a great day.